Hey guys, Chef AG from AG's Kitchen. What's poppin'? Hope you're doing well. I am. Just working on Sunday sermon, or rather, I just got done with that, and then I'll finish it up here tomorrow. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well and enjoying your evening so far. I know I am. Hey, check it out. So what's on the menu right now this evening? Wouldn't you like to know? I would too, actually. No, I'm just kidding. So here's the goal of what I'm gonna cook. It's gonna be some roasted baby potatoes. But really, okay, I said the recipe wrong. I said it backwards. So we're gonna make some tacos, and then on the side have some roasted baby potatoes as well. That's the goal. Let's see. I don't know how these are gonna turn out, so haven't started it out. I'll show you the ingredients, and then it'll be time to cook. Hope you enjoy this journey as much as I will, because I enjoy cooking. So follow along. Let's see what happens. It could turn out horrible. Oh my goodness, that wouldn't be good. No, I think it'll be great. I think it'll be great. Hope you enjoy this journey. Let's see. Let's make some tacos and roasted baby potatoes. And as always, everything is gluten and dairy free, just so you know. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so I got the roasted potatoes, or I'm gonna cut them, and those will be roasted baby potatoes. I'm gonna use some Kinder's Wood Fire blend. You see smoky salt, pepper and garlic. Add some smoked paprika, and then a little earthiness with the Italian seasoning. So what that'll add to it will be marjoram, oregano, thyme, rosemary, savory, basil and sage, which will add a nice flavor, olive oil. Okay, and then for the tacos, we've got this grass-fed. If you can see right here, it's that 80-20. Great fat level to it. Corn tortillas. I'll add this to a couple. This is the hot peppers and onions. Woo! You see that onion in the, hot peppers and onion. That onion in the back, still firm, still good, starting to grow, but I knew it was time to use it. And then we got that cilantro lime rice will go on it. And this is the seasoning, gluten, dairy-free seasoning. As you can see, so it's fantastic. And then the sauces, and then the jalapenos. So I'll have 3, I think, with the jalapenos, 3 with the hot peppers and onions, or oil, peppers and oil. And then both of them will have this chamoy, sweet and tangy, along with this crema chipotle, which is amazing, really good. So that's what I'm working with. Obviously, that's kind of the bare minimum, I think. That onion's gonna get diced up in the food processor. I'm gonna get the potatoes on, because those are gonna take the longest. I think it's 1.5 pounds, so about 40 to 50 minutes, because I'm gonna cook them on 350 slow. That way I'll have time to get everything else cooked. And yeah, so it should all be done around the same time. So let's see how it turns out. Here we go. Just put those potatoes in, let them cook for about 40 minutes. That way, I think by doing that, because it's on 350, 40 minutes, I should have all the tacos and stuff done by then. So hopefully everything's ready at the same time. Who knows? We'll find out. Got the onions chopped up, look awesome. Maybe a little finer than I wanted, but that's okay. I like it. It'll add. That's fine. It's fine. It'll be good. Throw these in the fridge while I'm cooking. Don't need to keep them out. About to cook the meat in here. Put a little olive oil in here, and then cook the meat, and then put the seasoning. It'll be good. Cooking the meat, browning that up. It'll be good to go here in just a few minutes. Woo-hoo. Taco meat is nice and done. I ended up adding one more packet because it was just a little watery. But that's okay. Turned out good. Looks good. Maybe a little, but whatever. Looks good. Potatoes are finishing up. Get the tortillas started with the rice. That's just going to be in the microwave, so no big deal. Heat that up momentarily. Yeah, keep rocking and rolling. Woo-hoo! Look at those roasted potatoes, baby potatoes. Nice, nice and fantastic. Look at those. Can you see them? So the ones up front have that Italian peppers and oil. I forgot to put the rice on top, so I'm putting it on top. But I want you guys to catch that. Ooh, those look amazing. Oh, and then I'll take a picture with everything done. But that was good. And that's a wrap, folks. I took a picture, but I'll make a little video. Hope you enjoyed your time, this time, watching AG's Kitchen. This was fun to make. Yeah, always enjoy making some tacos. Seems like it takes forever, but that's okay. That is okay. So I'll show you real quick. Check them out like this. So you can see some of these. These have just jalapenos, cilantro, lime, 90-second rice, seasoned, taco seasoned ground beef, 80-20, grass-fed. Got some crema and then another sauce on there. That is actually Sweet Heat KFC, no, Popeye sauce, which is actually gluten-dairy free, which is cool. It'll go as a dipping sauce for those. The roasted potatoes, which turned out great. And then this one, you'll see in some oil on the plate. This has the hot peppers and oil. Oh, and they both have onions, the diced onions, the meat, sauces. Oh, it's gonna be good. What? Only in AG's Kitchen.